Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix mirror or inverted video call on WhatsApp. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. If you are trying to make a video call and your camera appears flipped or mirrored, the first thing you need to do is check the app settings. Inside WhatsApp, tap on the three dots or menu icon at the top right corner, and then go to Settings. From there, open Privacy Settings. Now scroll down until you find the Permissions section. Here, you should look for the option related to camera effects or camera access. Make sure that the Allow Camera Effects option is turned on. Once you enable it, tap on Continue if the option appears. After turning on the camera effects option, go back to your phone's home screen. Now long press the WhatsApp app icon and tap on the Information Eye icon to open the app info page. When the app info page opens, scroll down and look for the storage option. Tap on it and then select Clear Cache. Clearing the cache helps remove temporary data that might be causing the camera issue. Once the cache is cleared, go back to the Permissions section inside the WhatsApp app info page. This is the important step. First, remove the camera permission by tapping on the camera option and selecting Don't Allow. After that, go back and enable the camera permission again by selecting Allow. This process resets the camera access for WhatsApp and can help fix the mirrored video issue. After resetting the permission, you can also test your camera with other apps, like the default camera app, Snapchat, or Instagram. This helps confirm whether the issue is only happening in WhatsApp or with the camera itself. Finally, restart your phone, and the mirror or inverted camera problem should now be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix mirror or inverted video call on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.